Hello Clash Nation! This is Hans Rosel Estacasa and these are the 6 words that describes me. Number 1, obedient. Number 2, assertive. Number 3, funny. Number 4, hardworking. Number 5, competitive. Last but not the least, I'm talkative. If there's something na talagang proud po ako sa mga traits ko, ayun po yung pagiging assertive, but in a good way. Assertive ako sa part na, since I'm a political science student, talagang binibuild ko rin yung sarili ko na hindi pwedeng maliit-malitin ng ibang tao, and at the same time, ako yung tipong pwedeng nilang takbuhan sa mga oras na feel nila they are scared, they want someone to lean on. Yung trait po na dadaling ko sa Clash Arena, of course, pagiging competitive. Just so you know, this is my second time na nag-audition ako sa The Clash, and I'm hoping this time na talagang ma-unleash ko yung full potential ko and I'll be very competitive to enable to, magtagal po ako dito sa competition na to. Again, this is Hans Rosel Estacasa and laban na ako para sa The Clash 2024.